In today's video, let's talk about how to use SoundCloud Repost. Repost inside of SoundCloud is a great way to share the music that you like with your followers, and it is also a great way so that people can discover new content. When we repost a content inside of SoundCloud, it appears inside of the feed section of your followers, as well as it will also be visible inside of your profile. You can either repost a track or even repost any playlist that you might have. So just head over to a playlist or even a song that you're trying to repost, whether that be inside of your library or just inside of the home section. In order to repost any song, if you click on the three dotted line, you'll see the option called repost right here. Once you do that, you can see the repost has been immediately made. Similar to a track, you can also repost any playlist. If you click on the three dotted line again, you see the option called repost. Now all of these reposts that you made will be visible to your followers inside of their feed, or will also be visible inside of your own profile. If you head over to your profile inside of SoundCloud, and if you scroll down, you can see these are all of the reposts that are just made. You do also have the option of removing and repost that you may not like. You can just click on this option right here which says Unpost or edit repost, and the repost will be immediately removed. This way the particular song or the album that you remove from the repost will also be removed from your profile as well as your followers feed. So that's basically it on the way that you use repost inside of SoundCloud. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.